Cast, arching. Undershooting, okay, good. Too much arching. High, but arching. Legs should be tight. Look at Amanda, up and boom, straight body. And your legs should be tight. Any beam position first. Legs should be higher. Second skill, tuck jump, double tuck jump. This position, legs should be high and you have to hold 2 seconds. Look at Emily, up, back straight. And you didn't up, back, position, didn't point feet. Emily, up, back straight and good position. Lean forward. Emily, better, but knee should be higher. Amanda, good. And you jump too much forward, not up. Lose balance. This position not clear enough. Look at Emily, up, good position, good straight, good arms. This position not clear. Emily position, look, knee to knee, very clean. Feet is okay, but hands. Arms should be more back. Round off head, arching.